a story about three little sheep and one bad wolf. Once upon a time, there's three sheep living together. One house sheep is made of stick, and the second sheep house is made of hair, and the third sheep house is made of bricks. One day, he saw a big bad wolf. He saw hungry and hunting for food. He is blow the stick house and half and half and half and blow. After that, then the sheep be eaten. And the second one, he half and half and half and blow. After that the sheep be eaten. In the third sheep house, he half and half and blow. But the sheep is still safe. But the house didn't fall down, so the wolf left. The moral is to have to make a clever decision. Thank you.